Hello everyone, on this special motive vlog we are heading to Luddenham Raceway for the very first time actually in our WRX. We were invited out by the guys from AGI that obviously put the roll cage in our WRX and GTR. They're having a bit of a customer slash staff fun day at the track. They said come along and I thought, well, never been to Luddenham before so I should give it a crack. There should be some cool cars here. I think the Mighty Car Mods guys might have been turning up as well. See if I can get Marty to have a bit of a grudge match in his WRX, but looking forward to a pretty fun day. The WRX should suit this track, so hopefully I can learn the track quickly. Let's go. Well, I've done 2 sessions at Luddenham now, and I will say this, it is a very, very fun track for certain types of cars. The WRX, perfect for Luddenham. What lap times am I doing? Actually, to be honest, I'm not sure yet. I'm going to go back, plug into the laptop and find out, but I'm lapping every car in my session, so I think it's doing okay. Obviously, a lot of that comes down to tyres. The guys from Marty car mods turned up. They had their BRZ and Marty's STI here. Obviously quicker than both, but honestly, this comes down to tyres. Marty's STI is probably as quick on the same tyre as what I am. It's got bigger brakes, I've got different pads, I'm lighter, he's got a little bit more grunt. But the Hoosier A7s just continue to deliver. This is their 6th event they've done now, and they're still going, and it's just mind-boggling how much corner speed this car has, even on a tight track like this. So we're going to do one more session, see if I can improve and go a little bit quicker, and we'll see what the WRX does lap time-wise. Stay tuned.
I'm not going home because Andrew chopped me. I'm going home because I have somewhere very important to be, which involves making my car faster. I'll be back after I learn how to drive with this new clutch.
Is that the intimidation? Well, that's the end of my first ever track day at Luddenham Raceway. What's it like? It's pretty cool, actually. It's definitely more a car for lower powered, sort of smaller cars, I guess. I wouldn't bring my Silvia here, or probably even my GTR. It's just not a big enough track to kind of unleash a serious car, but the WRX is just perfect here for all the little tight corners. Heaps of fun. I don't know what my lap time is still, but obviously by the time I edit this, I'll know from looking at the time in the editing suite. But put it this way, other cars that were running 55s, I was chasing them down and just driving around them. So hopefully a low 50 somewhere, like a 51 or a 52 would be nice to see, because apparently that's pretty quick here. So yeah, good fun. It was good to catch up with the guys from MCM, and I think that this track here is probably the type of track you'd use for testing with this WRX. So yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty fun, and any street car can do it. So give it a go.